Welcome, guys. Let's share this live. In, guys. Welcome in. Who is on? Type. Let me see who is on. Type. Let me see who is on. Who is on? Hi. Hello, Silver Fox. Welcome into my live. Who else is on? How are you doing today? How is your Monday going? It's very hot here in Jamaica. It's like so hot. How is it in your neck of the woods? Should be summer. Should be getting hot too. I am on the road driving, so I will not be able to interact. Okay, that's fine. I'm still sharing the live. Just be safe on the road. Just be safe. I will be I will be facing 4 of your Jamaican heat in a few days. Oh my. Yeah, it's so hot. Oh my god. It's hot. It's really hot here today. Yeah. Can't imagine. Yeah, I understand. I can't imagine how it's gonna be hot soon when it's summer officially. Summer. It's not officially summer yet, and it's so hot. I just can't imagine when it's officially summer. It's gonna be so hot. Beach is gonna be everybody new friend, and all the fans and the AC will be gone soon because it's really hot. Hi, welcome into my live. Who is this? Like the live, share the live. Who is on? Who else is on? I cannot see the names. If you don't interact, please interact. I'm also listening on something else. Okay, no problem. Welcome in, guys. Welcome in, welcome in. Who else is on? I'm not so sure. Can you say? Can you say who else is on? Who else is on? I'm seeing people, but I'm not seeing anybody typing in the chat for me to recognize you. But this live, just coming here to say hi to my subscribers and see how you're doing in this hot weather. So it's from one extreme to the next. Last week it was raining, this week it's hot, no rain. So I don't know what's going to happen if we continue to have this weather. I don't know. We are just hoping for the best and hope that more rain. And when we have rain, there's a problem too. So I'm not so sure how we're going to deal with this situation. Who else is on? Can you interact in the chat? Let me recognize you. Yes, thanks for liking the live. Thanks for sharing it also. Who else is there? Let's have some discussion. I don't want to be talking alone. I want you to interact so that we can have a fruitful discussion. If I talk only, the discussion will not be so fruitful, because I'm just going to talk about what I think and what I know. But if you join me by typing in the chat, we will learn from each other. Okay? Okay. So the topic is, seems like they're scared to interact with me. I don't know. They're scared to type. Why? I wonder why. Are you scared, Silver Fox? I know you're not scared. I know you're not scared. Because see, you're typing, you're interacting. So that's a good sign. You are not scared. I am the only one that is on now. Yes, no. Yeah. I don't know where my people are. As I said, I just sometimes just comes on live when I get the chance. Maybe they are still at work, or maybe they didn't see the notification. Because YouTube notification is very funny. If you don't go into the app, you're not going to see the notification until like 7 o'clock. You have to go into the app to see that somebody send you a message in the app, not on your phone. That's how I get it. I don't know if that's how you get it, or yours is different. I don't know. You can tell me how you get yours, but that's how I get mine. So yeah, or maybe they are on a different live. I don't know who's on live. No, I'm not so sure. Let me check. I'm not seeing anybody that I know that we know on live now. I'm not seeing anybody else. It just pop up on my screen. Really? So my mine don't pop up like that. How do I get it to pop up? How do I get it to pop up on my screen like that? Because I only, if I'm in the app or searching for particular live, I will see it, but I don't get it pop up like that. But that's a good thing. That's a good thing. I must check out that notification option. But yeah, interacting, man. Are you talking to your phone or you're typing? About to move again. Oh, thank you for staying. Since you're the only one here, thank you for staying. I appreciate you. Thank you for keeping my company. Typing. Okay. 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 I thought, yeah. Okay. So you're at a standstill. Thank you for stopping by. I appreciate you. Okay. Okay. Nice. Nice. So you see it? I'm on the right time then. So meanwhile you're waiting, we are interacting. We are chatting. Right? Yeah. So I was asking, oh, you said the weather is gonna get bad in a couple of days. Okay, just like us. I don't think it can get hotter than us. I don't think it's gonna get hotter than us. We today is extremely hot. Okay, I like to interact when I'm relaxed. Okay, that's good. And you're not relaxed now, so are you relaxed now or not relaxed? But you're still interacting, and that's good. That's a good thing. You're interacting with each other. I'm saying I'll be in Jamaica. Oh, I didn't get it. I thought you said coming your way, meaning that this weather is coming your way. Oh, okay. Welcome to Jamaica when you come. Okay. Oh, you like to relax in your home or office. Okay. Get you. Got you. Understand. Understand. Myself. But sometimes if it's convenient, I will, interact on the road. But yeah, that's my safe haven too. Yeah. Okay. I hope you have a good time when you come to Jamaica. I hope you meet the right people and you get to go around to the right places to enjoy your vacation. It's good now, the weather is good, so it's good for the beach for now. Don't know if we're getting any more rain. Hope not before weekend. I'm not sure where everybody is, but give me a 15 minutes and then I can end. The right person to meet is Anne, and I'm not going to meet her. Ah, yes, that's the. I don't know what to say. I am speechless. I don't know what to say. know what to say. But it's good to if we could meet, as my loyal fan, and you know, say hi, whatever it is we can do together. Say hi, chat together. You are never short of words. I was a while ago. I was a while ago. I was speechless. Couldn't find the word to say. Couldn't find the words to say just now. Yeah, because of that comment. See, look how we're talking. Thank God you're waiting. Or else I would have maybe slide out and come back another time. But yeah, it's gonna be there for person to watch. So, so we are talking about the weather and we're talking about your trip. No date yet, but yeah, date is secret and private. No problem. No problem. Look at that team. I'm gonna almost meet my fan, my subscriber. It's a good thing or a bad thing? It's a good thing. I believe it's a good thing. Yeah, it's a good thing. Sometime this weekend. Oh, I have a funeral this weekend. My uncle's funeral is this weekend, and it's also Father's Day. I must say happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there. Happy early Father's Day. Yes. But yeah, this weekend is gonna be busy, and it's all the way in my country. I might go live on that day. I might stream it, parts of it, not all of it, maybe the service. But yeah, welcome when you come. Welcome to JA again, your home, away from home. We're always happy to have back our people visiting. It's a good thing. So, and I hope you will enjoy everything, or enjoy your stay and have fun. I might be in St. Thomas Sunday. I do not know the name of where I am going. Okay. Don't say it here. Okay. And that's the day of the funeral for me. It's a Sunday funeral. Yeah, but you see how that goes. Okay, awesome. I guess she likes St. Thomas. Why she moved to St. Thomas? How she find husband over there? And you're going to see the road condition. I think the water makes some of the areas bad. I think they are working on it though. But much improvement taking place. Never been there before. Wow. Okay. Well, welcome to my parish when you come. My beautiful parish. beautiful in our eyes. His daughter moved in and she's living with her. Oh wow. Oh, that means they like the parish. They like my parish. Moving from your era to there. Is it from your era to my parish? If it's from your era to my parish I believe is better. Just say if it's from your era to my parish is the better of the two. Less traffic, maybe less job opportunities, but it's less traffic, it's less in most areas. Don't really and we have beautiful beaches, and we have highway coming soon, so it's not a bad choice, and it's near to Kingston. Her daughter's husband is from. Okay, awesome. Okay. Oh, that one sound like a near St. Thomas and it's not far St. Thomas, but yeah, that's okay, that's good. Welcome guys, welcome into my live. Ooh, welcome, we are just here chatting anything. We're talking about the heat first thing, and then we are chatting any other thing. Like St. Thomas is quite cool. It's cool. But that's where I'm from, so I wouldn't say less. A beautiful parish. Yeah. Welcome into my live. Who else is on? I'm about to drive now, so you take care and I will catch you on the next one. You too, and be safe on the road. Take care until then. Bye. Hi, welcome into my live. If you are not interacting, I will not know who the person is and how to have a conversation with you. So make yourself visible according to this girl. Who is that? What, that news I just came in? What's that just came in on loop? Welcome in guys, welcome into my life. Welcome. Just here chit-chatting. You're free to join in the conversation. We are here just chit-chatting. Yeah. Live. Bye. See you guys on my next live. Take care. Remember to like all my other videos, share the live, share the videos, and subscribe to my channel. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you on my next live. Okay. Okay.